Hello, take a look at this HYCHIKA random orbital sander. It is 300 watts, up to 13000 RPM. Dust collection design. This is a dust-proof switch. 6 various speeds to adjust. A dust collector. Common problems and solutions. Firstly, the machine can't boot. Please feel free to contact HYCHIKA support team for help. Secondly, the sand disk is not sticky. It's time to replace it with a new one. Thirdly, pay attention to installing the dust collector in the right direction, otherwise, the dust collection effect is not good. Finally, this machine couldn't be used for sanding walls, or work scenes with lime.